Good afternoon. My name is Quincy Pinling from Professor Daniel Stein's CIS 205 class at Queensborough Community College. Today I will be speaking about Chapter 12 in our textbook, Integrating the Organization from End-to-End Enterprise Resource Planning. For a long time now, information has played an important role in enterprise resource planning systems, or ERP. Now, ERP is a central database that collects information and it feeds information into the ERP, into all enterprise resource planning systems. You can find all sorts of information in there. You can find information about how much inventory a business would have, the human resources, accounting, balance sheets, purchasing, marketing, and manufacturing. Customer relationship management, supply chain management, and enterprise resource planning are very essential to e-business. The integration of all these applications would allow businesses to unlock information that is available to any user. This would promote trust, and it would make businesses feel like or users feel like there was nothing being hidden from them.